I'm going to be giving away $50 to 3 people that go ahead and do the following steps, guys. You have to watch this entire video without any skipping at all, and I am checking, so make sure you guys go ahead and do that. And subscribe with all notifications enabled, and make sure you guys drop a like on this video, share this video with at least 3 people, and comment your Cash App username 10 times down below, because the more times you guys comment it, better chances you have of winning. And make sure you guys go ahead and follow me on Instagram at DruckerYTA. Make sure you guys do all of those steps, and if you guys do, you guys will be fully entered and be able to win my giveaway. Yo guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to be going over 3 working methods on how you guys can go ahead and get free Cash App money in 2026. All of these are completely allowed and safe to do, and so you guys can do them, and you guys will not need to input any credit card information or anything like that throughout this entire process. Now let's get right into the video, and I'm going to be going over the best methods that you guys can use. So guys, for this first method, go to the link in the description. It should be the first link in the description. I think I'll have it there. And once you guys go to this link, it will say it's a 2025 Christmas program. It might be a little bit lagging behind because right now it's 2025 when I'm recording this right now, but naturally eventually, like sometime after Christmas, it will go away. But what you guys want to go ahead and do is, once you are on this page, you guys just want to click whatever you want on this little thing right here, and then it's going to ask you for your email. And now this is where you guys have to follow me closely, because this is completely free, but you guys do have to just follow the steps very closely and do it in the way because that I show you, because there's a lot of confusing things on this site and I just don't want you to get lost. And so first thing you have to do is you have to enter in your email address, and I'll get right back to you guys once I've done that. And now once you guys have gone ahead and entered your email, you guys simply just want to go through and you guys want to fill out all this information. It will not ask for your credit card or anything like that. You won't have to get billed, but it will ask you for your shipping address, so it knows where to actually send the card to. So make sure you guys go ahead and fill this out, and then I'll cut right. Once you guys go through that, just click on no thanks when it asks you if you guys would like to be texted. You guys probably do not want to be spammed with their telemarketing nonsense, so just click on no and then click on skip the survey. Then you guys want to click on continue right here, and then you guys want to click on no thank you and no thank you again, and just go through it. After you guys go there, you will be brought to the final step page. Now this is where most people get confused and lost and whatnot, but once you guys are here, it's actually quite simple. So after it goes through this all this checkpoint stuff, you guys should be able to go ahead and complete deals. Now what you guys want to go ahead and do is, it'll say your cost for all of these different deals, and what you guys want to go ahead and do is you want to do all of the ones that say your cost is $0. And so right here it says your cost is $0. So you want to click on no if it asks if you already have something. Click on no, and then it will say start deal, and then you'll have to download and open it, and then play and complete the chapter 7 to get the credits. But eventually, if you guys go to my rewards, you guys can go ahead and see that if you guys complete enough deals, you can actually go ahead and claim these credits, and they will either email you or mail you the card that you guys want. And there's tons of other cards here. I'm doing this on my phone right now, and so it's a bit laggy. This works on computer and phone, so it really does not matter. But I'm going to be going over the next method now, because I'm not going to waste your time by doing these deals. Now guys, for the next method, what you guys want to go ahead and do is you want to go to the second link in the description, and this should actually take you to an app that will allow you to go ahead and do more of these types of deals. Now this one will be a little bit more complex, but it will not be as high of an amount, and it will not be as guaranteed, because these ones do take a little bit longer to actually do. But what you guys want to go ahead and do is you want to go to the link in the description, and it will be the second link in the description, and I'll show you guys what it looks like right now on my computer, because this is not something meant for a computer. This only can be done on your phone. But if you guys watch this video on a phone, which I think most of you guys are anyways, and you guys want to go ahead and you want to download this app, and once you guys go ahead and download the app, it will ask you to create an account. It's completely free to do, so make sure you guys sign up, and you guys won't need to give it your credit card or anything like that. Then once you guys sign up, you guys will need to go to the email you used to sign up, and sometimes check the spam folder, but you guys will need to go ahead and verify your account and check the spam folder, as I already said, just because sometimes it goes there. I don't know why, but you have to verify your account. For example, it'll show you like one right here where it says you can earn up to $62 by installing it and reaching a milestone, or reaching all these milestones. and you guys can do all of these different offers. And now these do take some time, although just like everything, it will take a little bit of time, but some of them take more time than others. That's why I recommend the first method first, because it's just the best one. And so make sure you guys go ahead and try this one out too, because you guys can go ahead and get tons and tons of money if you guys have put in the time to do this. So this one does take a while though. Now guys, here is the third and final method. This one I'm going to demonstrate on computer just because it will be easier to do. And so for this one, what you guys want to go ahead and do is you guys want to go to the third link in the description. This should be like the final one, I mean, among like the different things you guys can do. But this one, you guys just want to go to the link and you guys want to click agree. And in a moment, I should be able to get to this page. It's going to ask you if you're a bot. Just go through it normally as you would. And you guys want to go down here and you guys want to click on proceed to destination. What you guys want to do is you want to wait just some time, and after you do wait a little bit, it will let you move on. So here we go. Now we can continue with ads. And then once you guys click on that, click on proceed to destination again, and then it will say visit website. Now this one, guys, is a little bit glitched, but what you guys have to do is if you are on mobile, you guys do have to go ahead and download this app. Now if you guys are not on mobile, simply just wait on this page for like some time and try refreshing it and eventually go back. But if you guys are on mobile, install this app and go in it for 30 seconds and then close it out, delete it, and forget about it. That's what I recommend doing, so you guys do not have to keep this app or whatnot. But after you guys have gone ahead and done that, click on go to destination. And once you guys are here, you guys just want to wait for the steps to complete right here. Then you want to click on proceed to safe destination, and then you guys will have to do 3 offers right here. Now these ones are very, very quick, and so you guys do not have to worry about this. For example, this one is you have to click accept and install this like browser extension, and that's it. That's all you have to do. You just have to install the browser extension. And for this one, like it's installing a browser, and this one it's like installing a antivirus program. These are all completely free. These take like 30 seconds to do each. I can't do them right now because I'm on a guest browser, so I can't install like a browser extension right now. But after you guys do that, click on go to destination, and then like again you'll have to wait 10 seconds, and then you guys should be able to go to this website I'm about to show you guys right now. This is where it should end up taking you guys right here. This is the final page, and once you guys are here, you guys can see all of the offers that does offer. Right now there's not that many for me. Go to this page, there should be more, because once the new year starts there'll be more of them here. Just make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel with all notifications enabled. Go ahead and drop a like on this video and share this video with at least 3 people. Go ahead and comment your Cash App username 10 times down below, and make sure you guys just follow me on Instagram at DruckerYTA.